What's up guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best smart toilets that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Kohler C3230 Elongated Bidet Toilet Seat emerges as a top contender for the best smart toilet seat, combining innovation and functionality for an enhanced personal hygiene experience. With its sleek design, the seat seamlessly fits most elongated toilets, offering a modern aesthetic. The user-friendly touchscreen remote allows for easy customization of preferences, including water temperature, pressure, seat warmth, and air drying. A notable feature is the built-in night light, providing illumination for nocturnal use. The self-cleaning stainless steel wand utilizes UV light for automatic sanitation, ensuring a hygienic experience. Front and rear wash modes deliver warm water for efficient cleansing, and users can adjust temperature and pressure, and choose between oscillating or pulsating spray for personalized comfort. The Kohler C3230 stands out with its tankless water heating system, reducing energy consumption by providing hot water on demand. The compact design adds to its aesthetic appeal, and the touchscreen remote allows the programming of wash settings for 2 users. It's crucial to note that this model is compatible only with elongated toilets. The stainless steel wand offers a more robust solution compared to plastic wands found in typical bidet seats, and the automatic UV light disinfection ensures cleanliness. Additional features include pulsating and oscillating options for a massage-like experience, extensive customization options, and a deodorizer to minimize odors in high-traffic toilet areas. Overall, the Kohler C3230 sets a high standard for intelligent toilet seats with its advanced features and thoughtful design. The Duravit SensoWash 1 Plus is a top-tier smart toilet, representing a worthwhile investment for those desiring a superior and refreshing restroom experience. This innovative appliance seamlessly integrates a toilet and bidet, offering an all-inclusive and natural cleansing experience that invigorates users. The fusion of toilet and shower functionalities is gaining popularity for its unparalleled cleanliness and hygiene, surpassing conventional toilet paper. The SensoWash 1 Plus provides a gentle and soft water cleanse, delivering a refreshing sensation incomparable to traditional paper. As part of Duravit's high-quality SensoWash range, this smart toilet is packed with cutting-edge features, making it an essential addition to contemporary washrooms. Emphasizing sustainable design, optimal functionality, and hygienic cleanliness, the SensoWash 1 Plus is an ideal enhancement for modern bathrooms. Crafted in collaboration with Philippe Starck since 1994, it embodies timeless aesthetics and user-friendly design. The SensoWash 1 Plus features an intelligent energy-saving function and an eco-conscious dual flush system, complemented by remote and app controls for adjusting water, air, and seat settings. With automatic lid opening and closing, night light, and a heated seat, it enhances comfort and quality of life. The integration of odor extraction technology and a self-cleaning sprayer ensures effortless hygiene. The smart toilet's design maintains a sleek, modern look, and the energy-saving mode ensures intelligent resource usage. In summary, the Duravit SensoWash 1 Plus, with its combination of design, functionality, and sustainability, stands as a game-changer in the realm of smart toilets. The Kohler Caring Elongated Toilet earns its position as the top compact smart toilet in our reviews, a distinction reinforced by positive user experiences. Its sleek and compact design, contributing to a minimalist aesthetic, is complemented by notable features including a self-cleaning wand, air dryer, customizable temperature settings, hands-free seat opening and closing, and an illuminating LED night light. Endorsed by the Environmental Protection Agency's WaterSense program, the single-flush toilet is remarkably water-efficient, using only 1.28 gallons per flush, comparable to the best in its class. The Caring seamlessly blends powerful performance with bidet functionality and a deodorization system, delivering a comprehensive and comfortable cleaning experience. Personalization is a key highlight, allowing users to customize preferences for seat heating, dryer, and water temperature using the intuitive touchscreen remote control or the toilet control panel. Additional features include a motion-activated lid and seat, LED lights for nighttime use, and a carbon filter for odor neutralization. With an innovative design featuring smooth curves and minimal seams for easy cleaning, the Kering employs PowerLight technology, meeting stringent EPA performance guidelines while using 20% less water than standard 1.6-gallon toilets. Backed by a 3-year limited warranty, users appreciate the toilet's value for money, effective remote control, nightlight functionality, and the efficiency of the self-cleaning bidet wand. The Kohler Kering Elongated toilet emerges as an impressive addition to modern bathrooms. The American Standard Advanced Clean 100 Spalet emerges as the much-anticipated winner of the Best Overall Smart Toilet, earning this honor for its innovative design and exceptional features. This product from American Standard seamlessly integrates bidet cleaning with contemporary aesthetics, setting it apart in the world of smart toilets. The Advanced Clean 100 Spalet features a heated bidet seat with dual nozzles, delivering a soothing stream of warm water for thorough and comfortable front and rear cleaning. Notably, it proves beneficial for expectant mothers and those in the postpartum phase, offering relief from associated discomforts. Designed for superior personal hygiene and aesthetic excellence, this Spalet enhances bathroom decor with its refreshing and modern style. Key features include adjustable dual nozzles, automatic opening and closing of the seat and lid for hands-free hygiene, and the Power Stream Flush with a triple vortex dual flush system. Air Shield technology effectively deodorizes the air in the bowl using a charcoal filter. Additional highlights encompass the automatic opening of heated seats, adjustable spray, on-demand hot water temperature control, and a convenient night light. In conclusion, the American Standard Advanced Clean 100 Spalet stands out as a top-tier smart toilet, offering innovative features and a sleek design that makes it a valuable investment for any modern bathroom. Delivering superior comfort and hygiene, this model excels in performance with an excellent price-to-quality ratio. The Toto Neorest 700H stands as a highly efficient and acclaimed smart toilet, recognized as the best in its class. Manufactured by Toto, a leading Japanese brand committed to innovative products that elevate living standards, the Neorest 700H is a robust model offering a variety of wash settings, a warm air dryer, and a deodorant feature. It boasts an automatic lid and seat opening, along with a nozzle sterilization function, adding an elegant touch to modern bathrooms. Adhering to ADA and Universal Design Guidelines, the Neorest 700H ensures accessibility for a wide range of users with its elongated bowl for added comfort. Standout features include a soft-closed toilet seat to prevent accidental finger pinching, emphasizing Toto's commitment to user well-being. Crafted from top-notch ceramic, the Neorest 700H ensures durability and longevity, making it a worthwhile investment. Luxury elements include a heated seat, hands-free flushing, water spray cleaning, and a dryer. The dual flush toilet incorporates Toto's unique dual cyclone flushing system, providing water-saving options. Designed for water conservation, the Neorest 700H effectively handles both solid and liquid waste. Featuring Santa-Gloss material to prevent residue, e-water plus technology for cleanliness, and Tech for an ultra-smooth surface, the Neorest 700H minimizes the need for chemicals and water in cleaning. This model is a perfect blend of style, comfort, and luxury, offering features like a heated seat, automatic flush, and hot water washer and dryer. Undoubtedly, the Toto Neorest 700H stands as one of Toto's finest offerings, promising to enhance any bathroom with its advanced features and elegant design.